Hey guys, boom, Swiggy Instamart is giving free Rakhi gift. Along with that, we have free saver pass plus coupon. First, let's check out as how to get free saver pass. You can go to Swiggy Instamart. As you see here, saver pass would be visible on the home page itself. You can tap on get pass for free. You have list of products or daily essentials at discounted prices. Choose any one product which you almost run errands every day, say for milk or curd. Here I chose curd. Once you choose the product, you can tap on get pass for free and your pass would be activated and will be active for 1 month, and the pass price of curd for me is 54 rupees. So you can add to cart up to 10 quantities, and here it allowed me only 4 curd packets. Likewise, the pass limit per day would be 4 or 3. So once you add to cart, you can add 9 rupee products as well, as shown here, and check out. Okay, before you check out, make sure you get your free Rakhi gift. To get a free Rakhi gift, you can go to Rakhi sale as shown in the video and add to cart any Rakhi. Once you add to cart, you can go to cart and see here and just confirm a free Rakhi gift has been added to your account with auto added 1 more free gift as shown in the video, and apply the coupon which is 300 off on your order value and check out. Okay, if you wish to see free Rakhi gift, just hang on 20 seconds. Hello, namaste, welcome to Flying Skies 1. Aap kaise ho? As you see here, this modern wheat bread is at 1 rupee on Swiggy 1 rupee store, subject to order value, you all know, 199 rupees. And here comes the plug-in hammer earphones compatible with laptops, mobile phones, and here free earbuds are given. You can check out at 99 rupees on Swiggy Instamart store. It comes with mic and 1 more earphones at offer price. This is dubstep earphones with clear sound and deep bass, compatible with all devices, say laptops or mobile phones, and it comes with mic. You can enjoy music or sounds. Anyways, here is Rakhi at 80% off. You can check out on Swiggy Instamart store. You all know, to get a free gift on the occasion of Rakhi, you need to add to cart a Rakhi. Then free gift would be shown up in your cart. As you see here, this is the Rakhi free gift from Kalyan Jewellers, and this is a gift card. Beautifully enveloped, crafted in love, right? And this gift card is equal to 10 grams of silver for free, and this 10 grams of silver would be available as discount on 1 lakh shopping at Kalyan Jewellers store. But before that, you have to register. As shown in the video, you have to copy the code and scan the QR code. Then you will be navigated to Kalyan Jewellers store. Fill all the details and paste the coupon code which was previously copied. Okay, just click on continue and finish your registration. Once your registration is done, you will get a confirmation via mail or SMS within 72 hours. Then you can go shopping and claim your 10 grams of silver for free on your bill, right? Okay, now let's check out some of the super good products on offer section across Swiggy Instamart store. As you see here, this is 3-in-1 lotion. You can use it to your face, body, and as a sunscreen as well. It is nice. You can check out. And here comes perfume
at 63% off exclusively for men from Bombay Shaving Company. It's awesome.
And you all know, this is Gar soaps which removes tan, and you will be given a free gift on their website. If you want, you can check out by adding the products 2 in number to the cart.
ID liquid coffee, it's good, try out.
Okay, you have offers on coffee. Check out those offers on Swiggy Instamart store. With regards to coffee, you can get a coffee mug if you purchase Nescafe coffee powder pack or jar as shown in the video. And here comes breakfast smoothie with no added sugar from Sunfeast, which is available on Swiggy Instamart 9 rupee store. You check out. It tastes super good and you have a hint of sweetness which comes from banana. Okay, moving on to next interesting 9 rupee product on Swiggy Instamart 9 rupee store, which fulfills your bucket list, is this fruit yogurt. It tastes good with subtle flavors of mango. Next we have Arogya 9 rupee milk. It's nice, and you have noise eggs at 9 rupees, which are free from antibiotics and bean fed. You can check out this Nescafe coffee at 9 rupees. And next comes the noise bread, and it tastes super nice. This is Mava bread or cake, whatever you call. It is fluffy, squishy, and you have a hint of vanilla flavor. If you want to have noise products, you can add separately from noise store to Swiggy Instamart card and apply noise to get discount on your order. And here comes modern wheat bread with almost no sugar or less added sugar. You can have with mayonnaise. This Hellman mayonnaise is super nice. You can have as a snack in the evenings as well, or breakfast in the mornings. Next we have 9 rupee product, the Jessie milk. This is full fat milk. You all know Jessie is a good product which gives you good quality milk, right? As shown here, you have veggies at 9 rupees on Swiggy 9 rupees store, and you have coconut at 9 rupees and digestive biscuits again on Swiggy 9 rupees store being available, and you have corn. So do check out Swiggy Instamart 9 rupees store to have the super daily essentials or pretty interesting new products which fulfills your bucket list. As you see here, this is chocolate Cadbury ice cream bar, and it tastes super good. Chocolate coating and fully of chocolate inside. It gives you a hint of Cadbury which tastes super good. You have to taste it. And this is max protein which gives you 10 grams of protein. If you have this snack, do check out at 9 rupees on Swiggy 9 rupees store. You all know 9 rupee products can be gotten on placing an order of 199 rupees on Swiggy Instamart store. This is cow ghee by Amul. Check out the offer price on Swiggy Instamart. It smells super good, and you can have with rice or roti as shown in the video. Next, this potatoes snack which tastes just like potato, crunchy, crispy. Do enjoy. Free Rakhi gift. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Peace out.